How to get Amazon Flex account reactivated. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. First, let's understand why Amazon Flex deactivated you. But the most common reasons are your customer complaint, safety issues, fake deliveries, working while on duty. To elaborate, it means that do not multitask while you are on duty. And this such cases can raise a complaint issue leading to a deactivation. So how can we solve it? Through the appeal process. You can directly apply with the link sent to you in the deactivation email. Check for such link. If not, you can go ahead and check out the customer service of the Amazon Flex. You can just search for Amazon Flex help and support and you'll be redirected in this page. At the bottom, you should find the phone number and the email address. In the appeal email, make sure to be professional and explain the situation. Briefly explain what happened and why you believe the deactivation was unfair. Take responsibility, and if it's really a mistake, acknowledge it and write an apology letter as well. Explain what you will do differently to avoid future violations as preventive measure as well. If you have any proof regarding evidence that support your case, that is screenshot, witness statement, you can include them as well. Attach those proofs in an email and send it via the email address given to you. Remember that the appeal process will take time, and remember to be patient and wait for a response from Amazon Flex. Remember, getting reactivated depends on the severity of the violation. If your appeal gets rejected, you might be out of luck. But if it's a minor mistake and you show sincere remorse, there's a chance Amazon Flex will welcome you back. And that is it. Good luck, Flex drivers, and for those still active, always deliver safe, responsible, and with a smile. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to us for more.